Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the wallpaper. So here we've got different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from: live wallpapers, photos, which are our own photos, of wallpaper and style, and wallpapers. So let me first of all go to those wallpapers, and here we've got the options which are pre-installed. So we can check them just by tapping on them. Let me go back. I wanted to enter wallpaper and style and check whether it is the same. It is, I would say, a different section, but it will lead us, I believe, to the same option. Yeah, here we've got the option change wallpaper, so let's tap on it. And here we've got on-device wallpapers. So this is the one which we've got applied. Wallpapers, and we are transferred to the same section. So this is how to check the wallpapers which are available. Alright, so all you have to do here is to tap on the wallpaper which you'd like to apply. Not sure why it doesn't look like that, but that's okay. We will pick this one. And then tap on set wallpaper in the left upper corner. Here you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will choose both options. So let me tap on it. Now we should be able to go back, but here on the preview we still have got the previous option applied, but after getting back you can see that the new wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.